Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to learn what is Excel RTD. What is Excel real-time data? Okay. For pro traders it is very important to have Excel files in your trading plan, and I have explained in my trading plan course to get your all of data in your Excel file, and similarly in money management course also. Now this is advanced technology, and here we will also trade with the help of Excel file. Okay, so let's start and see what are the advantages we are going to get from Excel RTD. Okay, Excel RTD basically looks like this on our MT4, and we will have spreadsheets also for Excel RTD. Okay, in our Excel files also. Basically, Excel RTD is a trade monitoring, analysis, and reporting tool for monitoring, analysis, and getting reports. Okay, this tool is used, and it is going to allow us to put real time data into Excel, and it also allows to send simple trading commands from VBA code in Excel. We will see how we can trade with the help of Excel in this lecture also. And it is used to manage multiple copies of Excel RTD app for different accounts and combine them in a single spreadsheet also. So this is just intro of Excel RTD. Okay, this is very important trade monitoring and analysis tool. Okay, and it is allowing us to put real time data into Excel. Now we will go to MT4 and we will see how it is going to help us in our better trading. So to get Excel RTD in our MT4, first of all make sure that auto trading option is enabled, and from the tools then go to options, and from the expert advisor check that allow automated trading and allow dealer imports are also clicked. Okay, then go to navigator, and from the navigator we can get Excel RTD. Now make sure that allow DLL imports and allow live trading is enabled. Here we got our Excel RTD file. Okay, this is representing my account number, like as here you can see this is my account number. After getting Excel RTD on our MT4, this box will be unchecked. Okay, for advanced trading and for advanced Excel user it should be checked. Okay, it should be clicked because from Excel file we will send commands to our MT4. Okay, now we can place our Excel RTD file anywhere we want. We can change its location, we can place it on the chart, and we can also pin it or unpin it. So when we will get this Excel RTD app on our MT4, we will see these two options. First one is accept commands, and second one is use standardized symbol names. Okay, these symbol names are our for market watch symbol name, like here we can see these names. Okay, and this box is for getting instruction from Excel files for our MT4 trading. Okay, now this is for advanced user, it should be clicked. Okay, we will get three types of Excel files that are linked with this app. Okay, first one is Excel RTD example, this one. Okay, Excel RTD examples. So when we will open this file, it will first ask for confirmation of enabling editing. Okay, now what is the benefit or what is the advantage of using Excel RTD examples? It is used that how we can extract our data and price action and our account data from MT4 to Excel file. Okay, so just I will press there, and now I will attach my account to my Excel RTD example file. Okay, here you can see a different account number. Here I will write my own account number. So here you can see this is my account number. I will write it here. I have written my account number here. Now in the dashboard box I will get my account information like profit, currency, balance, equity, all of these information. And this file is using Excel features of charting. Okay, so here we can see our currency, balance, equity, and our floating profit or loss. Okay, now in the prices tab we can see bid and ask price, current price of euro USD, current price of gbpusd. Okay, this is current price of our MT4. Like I will show you there. So now gbpusd is 1.3911. Okay, so here it is also 1.3911. So it means our Excel RTD example file is now attached to our MT4. And now in the tickets tab, if you have opened your any trade, we can get our account information, ticket number, trade, action, sell or buy, volume, and pair information and open price also. And in the end, we have fifth option, that is last one option, that is showing us bar history. Okay, it is showing us various bar related to our data, like all the indicators or whatever they are attached to this account. Okay, it is showing like exponential moving average, RSI, CCI, etc. Okay, in tickets tab we can get all information of running trade. In prices we can get bid and ask price, current price. Okay, in dashboard we can get some information, and in accounts we can attach our any kind of account whatever we want. So Excel RTD example file is telling us that how we can link our account to our Excel file, and how we can take data out of our MT4 into Excel file for better management of our trades. Okay, we can edit this Excel file or we can customize this file also. Okay, all right. So our next example is Excel RTD tick recorder. Okay, it is showing us market ticks. Okay, it is using Excel macros. So to use it, just enable this content. Okay, and here we will fill our account number, and after filling that it will be attached to our MT4. Okay, and then we will see ticks. So here we need to write our account number, and once I will write my account number here, then we will see change in bid and ask price. Okay, so here I will write my account number. So there we go. Here right now we can see change in bid and ask price. Okay, it is also giving us time, ticks out of market, and it is displaying all of these ticks here. Okay, so in this way Excel RTD tick recorded is giving us ticks of the market whatever pair we want. For example, if we want to change this pair, okay, and here I want to select gbpusd, then it will give me gbpusd. Okay, so now you can see I have got here gbpusd ticks. Okay, so in this way we can change our pairs also. This is the third example of our Excel RTD, and here we have Excel deal ticket. With the help of this we can place new orders from our Excel sheet in our MT4. Okay, and for that first of all we need to enable this because it is using Excel macros. Okay, enable it, and after that just fill your account number here. Right now I have attached my MT4 account number to my Excel sheet, and now I will place an order to our MT4. Okay, here we can choose our pair, and here we can choose buy or sell. Okay, there you can see buy or sell. Okay, and here we can adjust our lot size also. Right now you can see there is no running trade in my MT4, and now I will place a trade with the help of Excel deal ticket. Okay, I will click here. Okay, it is saying that order has been placed, and we can check it from our MT4 also. So here we can see our trade has been placed. Okay, and here we can get our deal ticket data also, buy or sell. Okay, so this is the great advantage of Excel RTD deal ticket. We have discussed three types of examples: Excel RTD example, Excel RTD deal ticket, and Excel RTD tick recorder. Okay, so in this way Excel RTD is very important for the traders. It can help us a lot in our trading. So this was the explanation of Excel RTD. Okay, thank you.